India, a land where sun scorches and the rain falls without mercy, we have always evolved and adapted to our environmental changes. Hello, and welcome to a video where we talk about something revolutionary which has been redesigning Indian homes. As we know, our India is evolving day by day, building framework and infrastructure for an ambitious future. And now, the change is making its way to your rooftop, presenting Nano Ceramics, India's own solution for a sustainable world-class roofing solution. So did you know that India's almost 90% of roofing tiles were imported from China and the rest were from Europe, making it very difficult for after-sales and care. Premium roofing tiles were not produced in India, making it higher in price and no after-sales and warranty. Now don't get us wrong, most premium tiles do offer warranty. But let's be honest here, how do you claim a warranty from Chinese company? However, nano ceramic tiles are entirely produced in India using the state-of-art nano infusion technology, making it more reliable and the happiness of supporting a homegrown brand. These tiles are made with contemporary environmental friendly material and are completely clay-free. Yet, you get tiles that are durable, stronger, lighter and efficient in every other way. These tiles are made with nano ceramic compounds, which gives them their amazing properties. From variety of finishes to high resistance to wear and tear, they're self-cleaning, anti-fade and anti-fungal, making them practically maintenance-free for years to come. Now tell me, have you heard of the tiles which don't just sit on your roof but works for you? These nano ceramic tiles reflect the infrared rays, making the heat absorption minimal, which keeps your home much cooler and reduces your consumption of air conditioning, which is actually a big deal for your electricity bill and the environment. Now we all know that traditionally clay tiles absorb moisture, but nano ceramic tiles have virtually zero absorption of water. They are leak-proof, waterproof and fade-proof. Whatever the monsoon throws at them, they always remain strong and stain-free. These tiles are engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions, specifically designed to resist wind speed of up to 150 miles per hour. The innovation and patent co-op technique features an advanced interlocking mechanism that ensures each tile is securely connected to its neighboring tile, forming a strong surface. This interlocking system not only prevents displacement during severe wind events, but also significantly enhances the overall durability of the roof. In case you're wondering, they perform just as effortlessly in coastal areas because of their ability to breathe in and out. These nano ceramic tiles, they don't crack, they don't bend, and they don't fade easily. So they stay beautiful, vibrant, and strong for years to come. Let me ask you a question. Have you heard of roofing tiles which gives you peace of mind? Nano ceramic roofing technology makes these tiles absorb outside noise and keeping your interior atmosphere calm and peaceful. These tiles are engineered for durability, aesthetics, and peaceful living, whether it's for independent house, villas, institutions, and resorts. These nano ceramic tiles, manufactured by Indian manufacturer, gives you protection and warranty under Indian legal law. That is why nano ceramic tiles are reliable and transparent. Here's what's exciting. These tiles are already being shipped abroad, in addition to being used in India. Modern, rustic, and classic, these tiles come in vibrant colors, forms, and finishes to suit any needs. Every architecture can be matched with the design, whether you like sophisticated grey or striking terracotta. Additionally, we can adapt to your architectural requirements as well. From manufacturing to disposal, these tiles are low carbon footprint material. They're non-toxic, recyclable, and uses energy-efficient method for manufacture. Unlike traditional tiles, these tiles are easy to handle, install, and lightweight, which makes them cost-effective and contractor-friendly. And because of all these features, these tiles don't require frequent maintenance as well. So next time, when you look up at your roof, ask yourself, is it just a roof or a smart choice? Choose Nano Ceramic Roofing, India's next generation of roofing products. Grow with India with Indian products. So far, we have transformed 1.5 crore square feet of roofs with more than 10,000 satisfied customers all across India. Nano Ceramic Tiles by Grano Ceramics. For further inquiries, contact on the address given below.